G'day viewers, well, yeah, I was using this power supply today, having a bit of fun. Little did I realise, this purple wire shorted against one of the power wires. Sure enough, popped the main switching transistors, the two ones behind these capacitors. Of course, when it does that, the fuse blows. So yeah, I've wrecked the power supply. After all that, I wasn't careful enough with these main wires, shorted it out one too many times, and yeah, see that transistor there is all in half. The other one, the capacitor's close to it, it's holding it together. So when they popped, that fuse went bang, blew that main fuse, so I've wrecked it. So yeah, a bit of a bummer. I'm kind of pissed off at that, but guess I'll have to wait till I get another power supply, and I might. But this time I'll do it properly. This side here, once you short it out, it resets. But when it does that, it actually does damage to these transistors. So best not to short it out at all. Even though it does auto, you can reset it by turning it on, switching it off and turning it on again. But that actually does damage to those transistors. So yeah, that's one thing I've learnt. Yeah, so it's only a crappy power supply anyway. All that, there's a bit of heat shrink on that. That was a bit of a waste. Oh well. Looks like I'll have parts. I could use this for parts now, so yeah, so when you're modding the power supply, just don't short it out at all. Be very careful, because yeah, those transistors do take damage. I don't know if replacing was going to fix it. For fun replacements, for sure. If I replace that fuse and replace them, it'll probably work again, but I don't know what other components would have got damaged. But yeah, that was a waste of time, so well, not really. I got the use I needed of it, but had I have known earlier, I would have been more careful not to pop those big hard on this. Anyway, hopefully I get another power supply, and I'll just be able to be more careful next time. So yeah, when you're modding the power supply, be careful of this purple wire, especially, because it does put it's what do you call it? It's always on, and when you put a heavy load in it or short it, it puts a lot of stress in these and makes them go pop. Which when they pop, that pops, and you get a big blue flash, and that's it, all over. So yeah, as when these short, they will switch off. You probably get away with it once or twice, but it happens too many times. That also does damage to these transistors. So yeah, great though, this one has worked out very well. Happy with that. So yeah, pretty soon I'll be getting some getting a package of electrolytic capacitors arriving shortly, so stay tuned for that one. Then I'll buy myself an organiser. I can set them all up and organise, and a proper little shelf set up, and yeah, have a proper little workshop set up. So yeah, thanks for watching.